you tried stir-fried French beans with soy flakes? The texture of the soy flakes is just like minced meat.
The French beans are crispy and sweet, paired with the savory soy flakes for a flavorful and satisfying dish. French beans are packed with fiber and vitamin C low in calories and great for digestion, making them a nutritious choice. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just French beans and soy flakes. To remove strings from French beans, just snap off the ends and pull down along the sides to peel off the tough fibers. The string beans taste more tender and sweet, without any chewy texture. Cube French beans and set aside. Air fry or all fry sky flakes until crispy golden brown.
Let's start cooking.
Stir-fry green beans in all until slightly charred, then toss with salt to enhance their natural sweetness, crispy, savory, and utterly delicious. Toss in soy flakes and stir-fry. If you prefer a crispy texture, remove the stir-fried green beans from the pan. Once cooked, they'll stay delightfully crunchy, with a satisfying snap almost like dried shrimp or fried garlic bits. Add 2 tablespoons of water to soften the soy pulp. Once it absorbs the liquid, the texture becomes just like minced meat. For the best natural flavor, I suggest keeping seasoning minimal. Just a pinch of salt is enough to highlight the green beans' inherent sweetness while preserving their wonderfully crisp and juicy texture. This simple approach lets you truly appreciate the vegetables' fresh, garden-picked quality without masking its delicate flavors. The beans will retain that satisfying crunch that makes them so delightful to eat, whether enjoyed as a side or main dish. Ta-da! Our humble soy pulp stir-fried beans is done. Or should I say plant-based ground meat beans to make your mouth water. Few realize raw green beans contain natural toxins. You must cook them until the raw green color disappears. China's Shenzhou spacecraft once took green beans to space. Cosmic radiation can trigger amazing mutations in the seeds. Modern varieties are virtually stringless, so the English name is upgrading from string bean to fancy haricot vert. New research found green bean leaves absorb moonlight at night for extra energy, nature's solar panel. Must be fully cooked. Raw green beans contain saponins and lectins. Undercooked beans can cause food poisoning. Cook until deeply colored and no raw bean smell remains. You remove the stings. Older bean varieties have tough strings. Snap the ends and pull down the seams to remove fibers for better texture. It's advised to moderate consumption. Even cooked beans are high in fiber. Those with sensitive stomachs should avoid large portions to prevent bloating. Storage tips: never wash before refrigerating. Wrap in paper towels and store in airtight bags to keep crisp for a week. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I'm an ovo-lacto vegetarian, no meat but eats eggs, dairy. Friends who avoid alliums like garlic, onion. Adjust seasonings to your preference. The most important thing is enjoying the meal together. When dining with fellow vegetarians, Communicate dietary restrictions in advance for both delicious food and mutual respect. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.